guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the gold futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I would just like to start by saying a massive thank you to everyone who has signed up to my Signal service over the past couple of days. We've had a very large number of you joining, so a massive thank you and welcome from myself. But let's get into today's video. Gold is skyrocketing here. We're up at 1922, and actually I should mention that I myself and my Signal team have just opened a trade here in the gold futures chart. So if you would like to copy this trade, this latest trade that I posted just during yesterday's trading session, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. I charge a very small fee of $29. But back to the gold markets. Gold is trading at 1922. We've seen an explosion in price over the past week or so, where we've gone from 1820 all the way up to 1920. So we've seen a 100-point gain here. And this is largely due to the fact we've seen the 2-year note completely collapse, as well as the Fed funds rate. You know, we've actually seen bond yields across the board fall at the fastest pace in over 35 years. And that is very bullish for the precious metal market. When interest rates come down, of course, the precious metal markets typically trade higher. So, looking at the economic calendar today, we have the ECB that are expected to give their rate hike. It was expected to be a 0.5 basis point hike last week, but now that has completely flipped upside down, and we're expected to see a 0.25 basis point hike. And what's going to be really interesting is the guidance going forward. I kind of wish that the Fed was talking before the ECB, because it's going to be a bit of a mismatch. And I think that the ECB would have much preferred Jerome Powell to be giving their interest rate decision ahead of the ECB. So it's going to be all ears and eyes on Madame Lagarde as she gives her policy predictions going forward. But I really like holding the precious metal market here. I really believe that there's a massive potential that the gold markets and the silver markets can trade significantly higher. In fact, I would not be surprised if gold is trading above 2,000 in the coming weeks and months. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, guys, if you would like to take part in my latest trading signal, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It literally takes 30 seconds to sign up, and it's such a small fee of $29.